good opportunity for me. What all I learned from a young age as a dancer, I used my knowledge of learning the Puranas in my choreographies. So there's one such story, one song is there, Kirtanam is there in Rakuntala Varale, Kalmari Adiya Kanaka Sabesa by Andavan Pichai. Why, where the God lifts the left leg? Always we can find the left leg only. So one places he changed the leg as per wish of the Pandya Rajan. He was uh, he was well qualified in all the 63 kalas. The 64th kala, Nritya kala, he does not know. So he wanted to master it, so he wanted to learn it. So he was an ardent devotee of the Lord Shiva. So he learned the dance. By learning dance, he felt I am so superior, but I can't dance. Paining. So how the Lord standing one leg, lifting one leg. So he went to the temple and tell the God, oh Shiva, are you always lifting your left leg and standing one leg? It's not paining for you. For a small time, being a warrior, being a known king, I could not do this. How can you? You please, for my sake, you change your leg and dance. So there, he lifted his right leg and danced in Madurai only. That means he was all witnessed by the Devas. This is story Kalmari Adiya Kanaka Sabesa.